So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to record on Spectrum TV app on Roku, cloud DVR recording and playback. So how to record on Spectrum TV app on Roku? Open the Spectrum TV app on Roku, go to guide, then select a show and choose record to save it to cloud DVR. To watch later, go to my library, then recording, then select your saved program and press play. Requirements are: before recording, make sure you have a Spectrum TV subscription. Cloud DVR service is added to your account. Recording won't work without it. Spectrum TV app is installed on your Roku. Cloud DVR saves recording online in the cloud so you can watch them for multiple devices, not just Roku. How to record on Spectrum TV app? Method first is record from the TV guide, fastest. Open the Spectrum TV app on Roku. Go to guide by pressing guide button on your remote. Find the show on or movie you want. Press OK on your Roku. Select record. A confirmation icon appears once recording is scheduled. Method second is record a series. Open the show detailed page, choose record series, confirm your recording settings. This automatically record future episodes so you don't miss anything. Second is accessing the saved record. Open the Spectrum TV app on your Roku. Press the left arrow on your Roku remote to open the side menu. Then scroll down, you will see my library in the menu list. Then select it to access recording, saved shows and DVR content. Go to recordings, then choose the show you saved and press play or select watch from TV option to start watching. Thank you.